everyone, Spark Girl Gaming here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some fluffy slime. And I've been looking for a fluffy slime recipe without borax for a while now, and I finally found one, so I want to share it with you guys. And here's how it turned out, and I just love it. It is so fluffy, and yeah, let's get into showing you what you're going to need. You're going to need something to mix in, something to mix with, shaving foam, a tablespoon, a half cup, foaming hand soap, coloring is optional, Elmer's glue, or any PVA glue, baking soda, and some more multi-purpose contact lens solution. So the first thing you're going to do is fill up your half a cup with glue. After you do that, just pour it into your bowl, plate, or whatever you're using to mix. You want to kind of scoop it out with your utensil just to make it faster. After you do that, you're going to take your coloring and color it up. Mix that in really good. After you do that, you want to grab your baking soda and your 5 milliliters or a teaspoon or a tablespoon and get some of that. Mix that in and yeah, so just mix that in. Only 1 tablespoon, but I am using 2 because I used a little over, so yeah. Mix that in. Very good. After that, you want to take your shaving foam and just fill your half cup with it. And then scoop that in. Then just mix that thoroughly. And if the color does start fading away because of the shaving cream, then just add a bit more drops. Mix that in, and this is what it should look like. And after you do that, add about 3 squirts of foaming hand soap. And mine is kind of running out, so I had to add like 5. But yeah, just 3 squirts will do, and just mix that in. After you do that, you want to add in the activator, which is the multi-purpose contact lens solution. Just pour that in and mix it. And now it will not activate straight away. You might have to keep on adding solution and mixing. As you see, mine is still very, very liquidy, so I'm going to add more solution and mix. Just keep on, like I said, just keep on adding and mixing, I stop and add more a couple of times, but at the end it did come together. As you see, it is still very, very sloppy and sticky, and you could pretty much just call it lotion right now. I'm adding more because it is still sticky and unslimable. So yeah, mix that in, and once you get close to the point that it is slime, it should start picking up off the side of the bowl. That just means you're getting close to your slime. Mix in very thoroughly before you add more, because we don't want to add too much or it will really be just wet whenever you play with it, and we do not want that. If you do, then just add solution until your heart bursts. Right now it is still pretty sticky, but it is definitely getting there. After a good more stops for more solution, you should get something really soft, and you should come out with fluffy slime. I'm almost there. It is definitely picking up off the bowl, but it is not quite done. You could probably find a different activator, maybe like Stop Flow or something, but really all I have right now is lens solution, so that's what I'm using. I'm mixing up against my leg if you're wondering why the bowl keeps going out of the camera. Well, it's because I just need something to push against. Oh yes, it is definitely coming together. It is a lot less sticky, but I think we're gonna bring it out and knead it, because yeah, it is definitely coming together. Oh. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna knead this through. As you see, it is definitely still sticky. If you want, also you can add more shaving foam if you accidentally add it too much or something, or you just want it more fluffy, then just go ahead and add more shaving foam, because that will definitely make it very, very much more fluffy. After I knead it for a minute and getting all of the before solution in, I realized that it definitely needed more. So I added more. I'm letting it sit for a minute just because these need to be washed. Okay guys, I just came back from washing my hands, and the slime is amazing. I'm gonna take the original slime that I made before probably and mix it in with that, but I'm gonna add a couple more squirts of hand soap. After doing that, it was awesome. Guys, check this out. It is just heaven. It is the most softest fluffy slime I have ever played with, and at the same time, I really never played with fluffy slime before this. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please smash that like button, and please, please, please subscribe to Spark Girl Gaming. The support would be amazing, and I love you all, and bye!